wonderful people, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get these beautiful faux locks. So yeah, do stay tuned. To achieve this look, I'll be using the Caribbean style Marley locks by Expression. So what I'm going to do is take one strand and place it on my braid, and then I'm going to sew down the part towards my roots. Now you're going to take the longer piece and place it towards the braid. So the braid is going to be in between the short piece and the long piece, and that's where we're going to sew it down. So what I'm doing when I sew is that I take the needle and place it to the other side, and from the side that the needle comes out, I put it in again and sew it to the other side. So just watch carefully if you want to see in detail, and yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do for the rest of my hair. And enjoy. As I get towards the end, I'm going to just go back with the needle and thread towards the roots so that I can get the Marley hair extra secure, and then I'm going to tie it up so that it can be even more secure. And this is the final look. Do make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.